The problem of the three worlds. The world we live in is a complex place, full of mysteries and philosophical questions that have intrigued us throughout history. One of the central issues that philosophers grapple with is the problem of the three worlds, a profound intellectual challenge that illuminates the grand questions of human existence. The problem of the three worlds deals with the theory that there are three layers of reality: the conceptual reality, the material reality, and the spiritual reality, each offering a different perspective and influencing how we understand ourselves and our surroundings. 1. Conceptual reality, the world of thought. Conceptual reality is the internal dimension of our consciousness. It is a world where thoughts, ideas, and images exist and operate. The human mind creates countless models and constructs that affect how we perceive the external world. Without these, we would be unable to contemplate abstract concepts like love, justice, or freedom. This is an internally valid reality, but it often does not align with material or spiritual realities. Problems arise when discrepancies between what we think and what exists in physical or spiritual reality cast shadows on our understanding. 2. Material reality, the world and the universe. Material reality, or the world and the universe, is what we recognize as objective and verifiable. This is the world we live in, where everything can be measured, observed, and analyzed. Physical objects, physical laws, and forces are part of this reality. However, while material reality can confirm the existence of things and its phenomenology appears consistent, it does not always succeed in explaining the abstract aspects of our lives, such as emotions, thoughts, or spiritual experiences. 3. Spiritual reality, the realm beyond. Spiritual reality refers to a dimension beyond what can be perceived by the senses and science. It is a world of belief, spiritual experiences, and profound meanings that can connect us with higher principles, an ultimate universe, or a supreme power. It includes religious, mystical, and transcendent experiences that go beyond materiality and offer a different perspective on our existence. The central problem: overlapping worlds. The problem of the three worlds presents a deep philosophical challenge. How can we reconcile the differences between these three realities? How can we accommodate the idea that each of these realities is true in its own right, while they might sometimes seem to contradict one another? The conflict between conceptual reality and material reality becomes apparent when our thoughts do not align with physical evidence, or when we discover that our assumptions are incorrect about the external world. Similarly, spiritual and material realities can appear different and contradictory. Spiritual perspectives suggesting a realm beyond physical reality are often unprovable by physical science, while material reality is based on empirical evidence. Is it possible to reconcile the differences? To attempt to reconcile the differences between the three worlds, we must recognize that each world may have a specific validity that is limited in some way. Conceptual reality can provide understanding and assumptions, but it does not always have the tools to prove material or spiritual truths. Material reality provides the basis for observations and measurements, but it cannot disprove or verify spiritual experiences that lie beyond physical dimensions. Spiritual reality, often beyond our tangible understanding, invites us to consider existence from a place of faith and personal experience. The problem of the three worlds illustrates that we may have inherent limitations when trying to grasp all layers of reality. The challenges arise from the fact that these worlds are not necessarily aligned with one another, yet they exist independently and uniquely. This idea encourages us to broaden our horizons and examine our perception of reality in a way that encompasses all three worlds: conceptual, material, and spiritual, and to seek ways to integrate these different understandings to expand our human comprehension.